Good evening. Today we are going to see how to download Neverinstall Cloud Computer. See, it is very useful and it is very important. Suppose if you are a gamer and if your PC or your laptop is not supporting for that game, you can play that game in this website. See, open any browser and just type there as NEVER, never, INSTALL, never install, and then you can see the miracle. So here I am going to show, I am opening new tab and NEVER, neverinstall.com. I typed as neverinstall.com and just enter. And here we can see Meet Neverinstall AI. I want to design and develop a web application, add all the relevant apps to my space. If you want to develop any web application, if you want to design any apps or anything, you can just do this process here. It is very good. Whichever apps is not supporting in our PCs, in our laptops or PC, you can just go through this website. Just go for this website and download it. It is no need to download. Just it's an website. That's why you can download. You can directly access over there. Here we can see some apps. VS Code is there, Chrome is there, Android Studio, Firefox, and many apps are there. Telegram, Spotify, many apps are there. So you can just directly you can select these apps. Just first process is you have to select that apps, and when you select that apps, it will appear in second box. Selected apps. See, beside that you can see please select the app that you want to install to appear here. So when you select these apps, it will appear over there and then it will install. So now I am selecting VS Code, Chrome, and again I will go for Telegram, and I'll go for C++ and Python, Java. See, 6 apps I have selected and I am going to continue. Now I am installing this. It will install in my desktop. Which desktop? Neverinstall desktop, which will support us. So here we have to select a country. So I selected an India, and there are some states. In India, some states, Asia Delhi is there, Asia Bangalore is there, Asia Mumbai is there. Asia Singapore is another country. So Europe Paris, Japan Tokyo, Europe Emirates is there. So you can go through whatever it is better. My opinion is that very high traffic is there, red box is there, so here low traffic is there, so better go for, I personally recommend you people to go for less low traffic. uh, to install this, it will take some time, that's why low traffic is best. And here it is showing red mark, very high traffic. Even though first I'll select Asia Delhi, I'll show continue and create space. See here we can see that trial end in 2 hours, and here we can see my apps are installing in this desktop. See, one by one, my apps, whichever 6 apps I have selected, those apps are installing over there. And how to use it? Same way, how we are using in our system, general system, same way. I open Google Chrome now. See, I am showing, I am opening Google Chrome. I'm opening Google Chrome, and then we can see here Google Chrome will be make Google Chrome. See here, downloaded Google Chrome, make Chrome your own, get started. See here we can see Chrome has been installed in my Neverinstall website, and then I am going to use, I am opening YouTube. Now we'll check for YouTube. See, same, same as usual, it opened. YouTube has been opened, and here you can see entire YouTube. Whatever we are seeing in our system, same way we can go through here. So if you are a gamer, if your PC is not supporting, just never install this website, you open it and just download that app and use. See here, default speaker is there, audio mixer is there. If you want to do any settings, you can go through that settings and you can change the settings. And hope video is good. Subscribe channel. Thank you.